So I figured it was about time to take y'all along with me, show you a typical workout. A lot of what I do is really just a mixture of supersetting everything. My philosophy is if I just did some push-ups, then why can't I go back and do some squats? If I just did some bicep curls, then why can't I mix it with some jumping jacks or something to that effect? I've showcased this before, but a lot of people still have questions about what my workouts look like. First thing, I don't really take a lot of like supplements. I do like to have a pre-workout in my life. I love the Bucked Up family. This is actually Woke AF. It's from that same line. It's a pretty cool stimulant, really gets me in the zone. We do the dry scooping technique, bro. I used to mix my pre-workout. Now I just started getting to the point where I ain't got time for that, you know what I mean? So I'm about to just take me a scoop out and go straight to the dome with it, bro. Gets you every time. So one of the things I learned, man, was that you really have to just kind of figure out what works best for you. And when I discovered body weight movements, calisthenics, like that's when I really saw the change physically in my body. Funny thing is that for the past year and a half, 2 years, my routine has really been the same thing. It's been a abundance of pull-ups, abundance of push-ups and squats, and then from there, I just kind of freestyle. And the interesting thing about it is that I'm still experiencing results. The pre-workout is starting to flow through my veins. I'm feeling the tingles. And I'm about to go up in here and show y'all what time it is. Let's go. Let's do this. Now, I always like to come in and get a really good stretch in before I even start. Helps me like get my shoulders, my arms all warmed up. Feel some like pops in my back when I do this. I used to work out before. I never used to come in and get warmed up. I would just jump into it. And then finally I was like, you know what? I got injured one too many times. I said, I gotta quit doing this. This contraption here is like one of my favorites to use. It's the stretch zone. True stretch. Definitely feel some bones popping when I get up in here. Spend some moments doing this. Do a few rotations. We're just priming ourselves, just getting ready. The thing I look forward to the most when I come to the gym is this pre-workout, this stretch, this warm-up. It's like my body craves it. I can tell when I haven't done it in a given day. Let me throw a little yoga inside of it. I've definitely noticed that I've started to gain some flexibility from just spending a few minutes every day doing this. I used to be one of those ones that I didn't really put on gloves in the gym, but looking at my hands, man, just got tired of when I reach out to shake somebody's hand, they looking at me crazy like, bro, what's up with your hands? We're about to do our pyramid. And like I said, it's 100, after you've done the pyramid, it's 100 pull-ups, 100 push-ups, and 100 squats. You go at your own pace, however, which way works for you. There's no race or anything like that. 1 pull-up. 1 squat, 1 push-up. I'm gonna go all the way to 10. The first like 5 or 6 rounds of this is pretty easy. And you just keep going. Full body workout. Sometimes I switch the grip, go reverse. I usually like to reverse on the even numbers. That way I know it's an equal amount of curls that's hitting the biceps at that point with the grip on the pull-up bar. Focusing on the breathing. Just knocked out the 100 pull-ups, push-ups, squats. Look at the pump already. That could be it. I could be finished for the day, but we're just getting started. Like I said, I like to do that at the beginning because I know at the end of the workout, no matter what else I do after this, I've already done a full body. So everything else is bonus. That's my theory, at least. I'm not a trainer. I'm just somebody that's been off and on, had a relationship with the gym since I was 12 years old. But now I finally figured out a method that works with me. You figure out what works with you, and then you build on that, you customize it. Probably ought to go do some bicep curls because I didn't do enough of the reverse grip when I was doing the pull-ups. I wanna make sure I'm hitting those just as well, you know what I mean? Now when I do touch weights, I don't really go heavy. And I keep it 50 pounds or less no matter if I'm on a machine, if I'm using weights, whatever it is, I'm 50 pounds or less. So we got our 50-pound dumbbell, and we just slow and control with it, man. Slow and steady wins the race. And remember, I said I like to superset everything. So if I just did some bicep curls, what stops me from doing a round of push-ups? Keeping the body moving all the time. I like to break everything into like little circuits. Right after that, we're going to some high knees. It's full body. And we're right back in the curls. And because I don't lift heavy, this is one of the reasons why I feel like I can come in every day and get a full body workout in. When I used to lift heavy, it felt like every other week I was dealing with some type of injury. I switched it up and said, you know what? I'm not about to lift heavy no more. I'm gonna start doing just straight body weight activities. And what do you know? My body is not as hurt as it used to be. I feel like I can work out every single day. I can't even tell you the last time like I've jumped on a bench press, saw what my max was. Because for what? What was the point of me lifting all heavy? What am I trying to achieve? Nowhere in life do I find myself about to bench press anything that's 300 pounds or more. And I'm not knocking that because everybody's different, right? We're training for different things. If your goal is to lift heavy, then do your thing. You make it your own. You cultivate the workout to fit your needs. I just want to be functional. I want to be able to do anything. We go kayaking, we can go hooping, we can go hiking, we can go run a 5K, whatever it is, I want to be able to do all of it. And so that's the way that I train. That's my style. That's my MO. You're about to get these dips in because you can't forget about the dips. It's always funny because people ask, they be like, man, what you working out on today? I be like, everything. They be like, what you mean everything? Like literally everything, full body at all times. Go right back into the dips. Now you gotta think about, what all have I done today? 100 pull-ups, 100 push-ups, 100 squats, 40 curls, alternating leg kicks, whatever they call. More push-ups. Now we come in with dips mixed with some lunges. Now this next workout is a killer. It's duck walks. Back and forth 3 times. And as always, we superset things. So we do these Mike Tyson push-ups. After you do those duck walks, man, if you don't feel the burn, then I don't know what. See, that's, again, reasons I come to the gym. Somebody put me on doing those. And when I saw them doing it, they were much older than me. And I was like, well, if you can do it, then so can I. So, started doing duck walks. And just like that, typical workout, it's all it is, man. Every single day, same stuff, but it's full body. And I think that's why I have the results that I have, because we're doing full body every day. And at the end of the day, as long as you get moving, I think that's the biggest thing. Whatever it is, just start getting active. Just start doing something different than what you did the day before. What do I know? Anyway, man, until next time, day by day in every way, keep striving to get better and better. Peace.